Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I am going to do the reading whether your person is in a third party relationship, then what's going on between the third party and your person. If they are already in a third party relation and they have just entered into a relationship, or still the relationship is going on, they can watch this reading. Five of coins moving into a six of coins. In this five of coins moving into six of coins means the person actually from non-communication mode. Suppose your person is into a non-communication mode with you, then that communication barrier is going to break, and six of pentacles card is coming. So definitely a equal give and take is going to start between both of you and your partner. If you both are completely in a non-communicative mode, just see this lady is welcoming you, that and the scales are also there. The scales is also denoting balance, and the third person, three persons are there, but the one person is about to go out of this room, or you can say that this of the out of this house, you can say that this kind of energy I am getting. So the woman, this is a woman's refugee building, you can see that. So if suppose you're feeling alone and you're sitting feeling and there is no one to help you, your feminine energy is very suppressed, and don't worry, the other feminines are there to support you, your soul tribe is there to support you and to balance your masculine and feminine energies, you can even say that also. Because there are many feminines I have seen that they feel very helpless at times, and they feel that they have nothing to do, as majorly when their partner is in a third party relationship, they feel very helpless and victimized. So don't worry at all, because the soul tribe or the whatever light workers videos you are watching, those are only help from universe to you. The angels have sent them to help you, you can say that. So that's the help coming for you, and the relationship is going to balance between both of you and your partner. A two of swords moving into a three of swords. In this card I am getting an energy that the blindfold of your person is coming out regarding the third party, you can say that. Regarding the third party, the blindfold is coming out, this person is handing out the blindfold to this person, and this is the sun is about to rise, have risen up, you can say that. So this person is moving towards his or her son, you can say. They are coming out of the third party relationship, but from two of swords they are moving to three of swords. You know, three of swords card, the heart, one heart is made and three swords are pierced into that. So the person is heartbroken, or they are not happy with the third party relationship, you can say, because whatever thing they have come to know about the third party, whatever truth has revealed in front of them about the third party, that is not making your person happy, you can say that. They are very heartbroken because of that, because something very substantial about the third party has come out in front of your person. So this person is handing over the blindfold to this person, and they are not, he or she is not looking at this person at all. And you see nine of swords going into ten of swords. Maybe it's quite possible that your person has been backstabbed by the third party. Nine of swords and ten of swords means person getting backstabbed from all the sides. A big you can say a big backstab from a person whom they trust a lot. This person have completely broken them and completely disheartened them and completely broken their trust. So this is going on with your person. They are moving into ten of swords, completely heartbroken, completely backstabbed, completely hopeless, helpless. This kind of situation they are facing with the third party. Nine of wands moving into ten of wands. Again from 9 to 10, 9 to 10 twice it is coming. So you see your major cycles are completing, and plus 10 portal is coming. So I feel this person is completely heartbroken. Maybe the angels or God, they need your support, actually, you can say that. You will need that support, because you are holding this light and you are showing light to the person, and this person is holding you also. So they want to come back to you, and you are the light in their life. They know that if they lose you, they will lose the light in their life. So you are the light, you can say, at present, because your person is very helpless condition, completely hopeless, a hopeless situation, you can say that. They are not in a happy state, you can say that. In this, the queen of cups and the king of coins, queen of coins and king of coins. So you can see, but I can't see any king over here. Only the king, only queen is been seen, and she is seen holding a baby in her hand. So you can say that your person is completely going to transform and going to be become a baby, like something like that, or how the babies are very pure. This kind of thing is going to happen. And you being the feminine, you are in the feminine energy. Whoever is watching, he or she, doesn't matter. It's all about energies. So if you are watching this and if you are chasing your person, and so you are going to be the nourisher of your person, and you're going to handle your person very very delicately right now, because for you, that person has become like a childlike baby who needs nourishment right now, who needs care right now, because your person is completely in a helpless position or completely heartbroken, and so they are not in a position to even feed themselves, or not in a position to do anything. So God has sent them you as a light in their life, you can say that it's a light in their life, and you are going to nourish your person. So Queen of Coins and King of Coins card is coming, means your queen is looking after her king, you can say that. And the Empress card is coming. Just see, the both king and queen, empress and the emperor, both are on the same page. So you both, after this nourishment, all this nourishment, third party getting over, a person coming out of the heartbreak, and when they have nourished completely, they would come in their emperor energy, and you both will be on the same page. Got me? Same page. And plus, I feel that you both will have the children together also. This is going to be a future energy, I am telling you, the future energy. But this is going to be a dream, both of your dreams, and you both are going to be on the same page. But at present, your person is a completely helpless position, I can say. The 7 of Swords moving into 8 of Swords. The person is now, I'm telling you, they are going through a very rough weather. Just see the even the log is broken. So this person is not happy in their life. The swords are broken. So they were about to find the truth about the third party, and the truth that has come in the front of them, they could not take that truth, actually, you can say that. Because of that, they have broken that their sword. So you can breaking that truth, or breaking the ice, something like that kind of thing. So that's the thing going on with your person. They are not liking whatever thing has been revealed in front of them. They are not liking them. That's going on in your person's life, and they are completely heartbroken, but you don't have to make any effort from your side to go and approach them. If they are coming for you for help, or if they are approaching you, then you can pacify them, but you don't have to overgive. Every time you have been overgiving, so you don't have to overgive in this situation. See, so clear cards are coming. Sacral chakra, just because all these things have happened because the sacral chakra has activated. I have told many times that you activate your sacral chakra. When you activate your sacral chakra, your person definitely comes out of the third party, and that the thing has happened. Your person is coming out of the third party situation because of your inner work, and you working on your sacral chakra. You focusing on your creative side, you focusing on your side, you working on your talent, something like that you are doing. Because of that, or you're focusing more on yoga or exercise, or in singing, dancing, something like that, or painting, you are doing something, you are engrossing yourself in that. Because of that, your person is coming out of all these things. And because this third party, whatever they has done with your person, they has taught your person a very very important lesson in their life, you can say. Teach card is coming. So definitely they have learned a very strong lesson, and a very strong message universe has given them, you can say that. Very strong message, or what strong lesson, because this person was a karmic, and they were meant to come in their life to teach them a lesson. And these things, the 5 number card, all these lessons your person is learning from the third party, this is going to completely change your person, transform your person. This is quite possible, very quite possible. It's going to change your person, actually. Detached card is coming. Your person who is going, maybe possible that they are going to detach themselves from everything, whether third party or family, or even it's quite possible they may not they may not contact you that much. They can even detach themselves from you also, but they will come only towards you when they need some relief, or they need some healing, because you are the light, you are the energy who gives them happiness, and you are the one who is going to heal them. So maybe possible they may detach themselves from everyone, but all your good memories, whatever you have done from them, they are going to recollect in this detachment time, and that is going to give them healing. and the 14 number card is coming, balance card is. So after detachment, you can say after detachment your person is going to balance themselves, or temperance card is carrying, so they can approach you, and this is balancing of masculine and feminine energies also, you can say that. So all this detachment and healing procedure, all this going to help a person balance themselves, and it's also going to help balance you. If you are balancing, then your person is definitely going to balance for sure, because the amount of hard work you are giving and the amount of hard work you are doing, that is helping your person to come out of the situation of the third party, and that is helping a person to achieve the inner balance. Before union, you come into union with a person, it is very very important to achieve the inner union of yourself. You have to feel that your masculine is within you only. You have to imagine that they are always with you. Don't have to look in external factors whether they are in physical form or not. That's the thing. You always feel that you are talking to a person telepathically, you don't need them in physical form. That's called balance, inner merging, and inner merging of masculine and feminine. That kind of balance you need to bring in yourself, then your person is going to balance, you can say that. Hope you are getting what I am trying to tell you. Your person will definitely balance, I am telling you, but you need to focus on more on yourself. Only when they approach you, you have to contact them, you have to talk to them. Otherwise, don't try to force yourself on themselves. Courage, person needs courage at present, because at present they are completely, I'm telling you, hopeless situation. They are completely heartbroken. They are going to 3 of swords kind of energy, 10 of swords kind of energy, all this of, and 10 of wands energy. So all these things is going to break your person, but they need to rebuild their courage, and they will build their, they are inner knowing, they can hope. It's quite possible that they start doing meditation and something like that to overcome this, because the kind of backstabbing they have got from the third party, it will take a lot of their energy and lot of healing they will require to come out of this. Be generous, help others if possible. If start doing your sole purpose, help other people who need money, or who need any kind of help. No, it's not necessary help someone with money only. You can help with words also. You can help with your physical form also. That is also helping only. So you can help people. That's the main sole purpose of your twin flames to come on this earth. And openness, be open to everything. Whatever situation is going to unfold, be open to everything. God is telling you, come into acceptance mode. That is very very important, that I am telling you. Oh friends, you like today's reading, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.